So whenever I have a choice, I consciously choose whether an event is something that I want to attend. And so as I've been able to attend events and learn how to manage how I show up and what I do after, I'm able to attend more of these events and not have it totally throw me off, although I do get tired. So whatever the reason is that you're feeling some overwhelm, that it is often feels like another thing that you have to do to step back and look at your business. So if that's the case, then I would consciously choose the tasks that really need to be done right now. How many things that are you doing in your business that you just do because you've always done, right? It's like kind of like you just repeat. You're just repeating these tasks. And so spend time like writing down everything that you're doing on a regular basis in your business. Even look at your calendar. I hope you're using a calendar to track your time.